take pictures here, but I look.
This looks like a damn castle, man. Damn, what the heck? Like Gaylord Palms don't belong here. This is inside. What the heck? We're gonna throw them chickens?
The turtle climbing on top of the gator. Look at the turtle.
Oh.
AI, not real.
Oh my god. This is the only way I can see. So we're currently at the convention right now. Franny is on a mission just to find every single free thing she can find and stickers.
No, just stickers and my junk journal.
That's all she got.
Oh, well, that's not mine. That's yours.
Oh.
All of mine's in here. I'll show you later. Lambo?
Can't afford the taxes on it.
Do you need this?
No, that is, no. My name is Franny and this is my breakfast.
Actually, the last
Breakfast. Wayne speculated that he was only gonna spend $2,000. He spent $2,000 in the first 10 minutes. Cat's done. Franny's on her fourth chocolate bar for her breakfast.
See? Banana.
See?
Banana.
It's free. What the fuck? Look at Wayne, so famous, getting interviewed right now. Someone recognized him, pull him to the side. I'm joking. What'd you get?
Sticker.
Black Hive. Oh.
Cool. Shiny.
It's for the Dent Olympics. So it's how they compete. I guess these are for the Dent Olympics. Oh, the key fitting. They do this style too, right? Franny and I both thought this guy was real because the way he was laying down, it looked like he was working. And then one of the guys just straight manhandled him and grabbed him. I'm like, damn. Look at all these tips. Oh my god.
The hedgehog.
Yeah, it's a hedgehog.
Oh, what the heck? Wayne's so famous, got recognized. Oh, okay, okay. It's like a bunch of dudes trying to like slide hammer one panel, man.
Wayne's in there.
Got an old school Porsche here. Wow. We're about to wrap up the show. I think a lot of people started to wrap up too. I haven't eaten yet, I'm fucking hungry. I ate air. Franny, what'd you do today?
I got stickers and koozies for my friend. 1, 2, 3, and then I think there's 4. And I got stickers.
All she's been doing is hunting stickers, like goddamn.
I
And
got
trinkets. I need to make a sign that says need money for Universal.
I spent no money today.
Oh. Why did I read this as drink bonus? Look how limp your bag looks. It's like when your child's done at the theme park, you just drag your kid around. Look like she up to no good. Snooping around. Cat doing cat things.
What we got?
Yeah, dead body.
That's only just a little.
Dead body. Look how limp it was. Damn. I'm not allowed here. Damn, fake grass.
Are you going golfing? Looks like you're going golfing.
This is tent.
It does look like tent too.
Damn, dog. I might get kicked out of here, man. Careful. Don't embarrass us, might get kicked out. This is supposed to be a Starbucks. What the hell? What the hell? What in the hell are they doing? Longhorn Steakhouse. Our breakfast.
Alright, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast, lunch. I don't know about dinner because I might get hungry later.
You want Waffle House?
I might. Well, hey,
We're gonna go there after.
maybe that's why the police are there.
Break up a
Because
fight.
break up a fight at Waffle House.
With their match.
If I'm having steak, it's gonna be my second time having steak at a restaurant. Right?
Now you have it in the States.
Yeah.
Travel to Florida, they have steak.
Steak in the States.
It's different. Got the ribeye. Franny got salmon. She's actually eating.
Oh my god.
Ribeye as well with greens. Something with greens and bone.
T-bone.
Look at this half, all greens, macaroni, and fries. I guess we're gonna Waffle House to go fight someone. Apparently the moon and the planet's supposed to line up. Ain't that so cute?
I feel like it's not the planet. I feel
It's
like
your mother.
Airplanes. They look like airplanes.
Or satellites. It wouldn't be airplanes.
Moving.
That's an airplane. But that one could be like a satellite too. Just looked at the movies. All right, we're gonna go fight someone. All right, Franny, pick who you're gonna fight. Oh shit. All right, meet me in the Waffle House then. Excuse me, sir. I heard there's fights here. Who do I bet and where do I place them?
Orangeburg.
Fresh orange juice.
No, digesting.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, Orange World. Mr. Skinner.
That's crazy. It's a pencil.
You know, I thought Orange World was a dessert place. This entire time I thought it was dessert. We're in quite the jam here. Bruh. The orange juice.
It's for my friend. She asked for a jar soon.
Well, she
Does
got a
this
little.
count?
She got a little extra.
Count.
Genuine. What the heck? No thanks. It's a scam.
See, left turn. There. All winner.
Neptune.
Yeah. Is this suppose like this couple thing is alive?
That's a lamppost, bruh.
Look at this. This Jupiter.
It's also a lamppost.
This Jupiter, yeah. And then that's Mars. See?
Hi, Kwa. Because you
Alright, Franny, what'd you get today? Oh my god.
Look at all the koozie cups I got.
Oh my god. Look at Franny's sticker collection.
So I put it in the front.
Oh my god, okay. How many stickers you got?
1, 2.
This was Franny's main objective throughout the entire expo, to keep herself occupied, collect as many stickers or all of them as she could.
10, 50, 51, 52, and 58.
58. That's at least 1/3 of all the vendors.
Okay, 58, and then 59 because this was a duplicate.
Doesn't count.
It doesn't count, so it's just 58.
That's kind of messed up. I should have gone back and got another one of this. Like
You
4.
can have it. I
No,
don't need it.
you could've
I have
gotten 4.
a potato one already.
I don't need a stress ball.
Oh, you just want it?
I just wanted to have more. We are back at Walmart. Derek said there were some hot ones Pringles, so I got some of those and some more hot fries. Back at Walmart, and what started off as getting water or no, getting ice cream. We got the Netflix ice cream here, and slowly just been stacking it up with chips. So we are back at the hotel. It's pretty late. We are ending the night watching Singles Inferno. Bought some ice cream. And I don't have a spoon, so I have to trade Cat these Funyuns for a spoon. Housekeeping. What the hell? You guys have a table? Holy shit.
So see, I can actually fit everything in.
Look at Halloween shit. What the fuck? $150 of glue. I crushed it. And now it's leaking. Goddamn. Bruh. It's pretty good. Tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch a little bit. Anyways, that's it for now. Bye. That'd be kind of wild.